Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Time with T. Been a while, been busy, but I'm back. Today I have a 2010 Nissan Versa double din stereo from Amazon, and very cost effective and budgeted. You get it between $45 to $60 at Amazon. So here's what I got. We're gonna do it today, and I'll show you what it look like and what the features are. Check it out, straight from Amazon. Pretty small. This is a double din stereo, car stereo. See what I got. Got some wiring, and remote, a mini remote for could be from the east for the radio, or not sure what it is yet. We'll see. Tape for the wiring. The manual, operation manual. What do you got? Hey, look at this plastic wedge. Very useful. You take out the panel. What else you got? More wiring and control. Let me take this out. They come with a bracket for mounting the stereo. What else do I got? Let me see. This is the face bracket in front of the radio. You see this? And here is the radio itself. It's Amazon, they pack pretty good, even have foam on it. And here is the face of the radio. The front, this double din, and then there's the back with all the wiring will be connected to. Okay, basically this radio actually support the micro SD, and there's a aux cable on it, can be here, and also the USB. At the same time, believe it or not, the reason this customer bought this because they actually have a backup camera come with the stereo, so it's kind of nice for them for an upgrade. If you want to check out my other video, how to uninstall the manufacturing radio, check above. And also you want to see a video to install this new radio, check link up above. Thank you and for watching.